आज आपल्या कॉलेजमध्ये होमिओपॅथीचा सेमिनार आयोजित केलेला आहे. तर या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण आपला पूर्ण सेमिनार पाहणार आहोत. तर व्हिडिओ शेवटपर्यंत नक्की पहा.
Good morning everyone. So today we all are gathered here to Good morning everybody. So we all are gathered here to attend the seminar arranged by International Academy of Classical Homeopathy, which is run by Dr. George Vitrukas. So welcome everyone and be a witness and a part of this seminar.
Good morning everyone. Today we are gathered here to attend the seminar conducted by the MUHS. Here we are how homeopathic works website. So we can attend now. Let's see.
नाही फोटो नाही, ब्लॉगचं प्रिपरेशन चालू आहे. मॅडम
यानंतर आपला
Nobody knows. Anybody knows about International Academy of Classical Homeopathy? To revive homeopathy. When homeopathy was going down, that time George Volkers worked from homeopathy. He received Nobel because of his work. Very excessive salivation in kids. See, we are talking about the kids who are. Is it so? If you are aware of these things, then you are able to practice very nicely. If you know when the fontanelles get closed, then only you will find out Cantilia falls. Otherwise, you will not reach to Cantilia falls. For that, you have to move from your chair and check the patient's scar period. Okay? Homeopath don't need to sit always on the chair. They have to test their patient also. They have to check their patients also. Got it? So tell me the answer of the question. At which age?
5 to 6 months.
Which fontanelles? Anterior or posterior? Two fontanelles get closed.
पोस्टेरियर फर्स्ट क्लोज होते ना. पोस्टेरियर 4 to 5.
Anterior falls. That kid was 1.5. Very nice. Then you have to find other symptoms. He was very thirsty. But what happened? Ailments. Afterwards he started the symptoms. Ailments from grief. Hypertension का patient आता है and it started after grief. That you will take as ailments from. Okay? Essentials means physical pathology. Now we will go one by one. When the physical pathology of the case, physical, general, mental, emotional symptom all point out toward the same remedy. ये आप सबको पता है. It is look like total prescription. We will mostly observe this strategy in very healthy people. Okay? Now we will go not the normal personality trait. How we can say that? We had a patient, we had a girl who was 13 or 14. You automatically start taking care of her body. She will brush her teeth. She start taking bath. That's beyond any level. You can find keynote on any level. Mental, emotional or on physical level. Keynotes are characteristic symptom of the after the cause. And improvement of these symptoms lead to introduction of such rubrics. That means ailments from grief is there. Hypertension started after ailments from grief. For that you should know your Matia Medica well. Okay? Show them all the symptoms. He's having headache, aggravation right side, aggravation sun, aggravation light, aggravation noise, aggravation position, amelioration vomiting, amelioration lying in dark room, and photophobia. In physical general, you will get the patient is obese, chilly, sensitive to drug, desire for lemonade, desire for sweets and eggs, aversion to milk, sleeplessness at 3 a.m. In mental, you will get low confidence, crave admiration, which ameliorates, lots of fears, fear of height, fear of injections, talking in sleep, fear in stomach. Causation, you will have headache after head injury. What remedy you will give in this case? Very lightly when you are student, but when you sit on chair and practice homeopathy, that time it makes very big difference. Which symptom you underline 3+? Which symptom you underline? Think about Kali then. Which drug is having anxiety in stomach? No, not Kali witch. Kalika. Kalika. That is keynote prescription. Here we are prescribing on keynotes only. About it? Yes. And we are very proud of that. Okay? Thank you, RBC sir, for everything. Yes, Rajdeep is also there. Yes. Actually, they were not with us in the e-learning program. So, Nalini Kumbar, many homeopaths from your college. Nalini Kumbar, Rajdeep, Kishore, Suhas, Sheetal Chogle, Nikhil Jandar, they all are doing classical homeopathy successfully. Okay? school management, and to all dear students for listening us, for giving us time. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Alan Kulkarni sir, Vice Principal Dr. Ghazala Sayyed ma'am, and the entire seminar committee for organizing this seminar. And last but not the least, I thank all the
Oh, these brothers my guys. Know that we fly, know that they ride or die. But they wanna move like that.